100th birthday. Ayun, first gusto kong magpasalamat kasi sobrang bait na bata ni Gio. As in, sobrang bait na kaibigan, sobrang bait ng classmate. As a mom, syempre kapag ang anak natin ay pumapasok na sa school, isa sa hinihiling natin na magkaroon sila ng maganda or mabuting kaibigan. At si Gio, yung nagpanatag ng loob ko. Kasi pumapasok yung anak ko sa school na masaya siya pag-uwi, kinukwento niya na kasi siya naging ni Gio. Isa si Gio sa best friend niya talaga sa school. And sobrang napapasalamat ko sa Gio for being a good, such a good friend for me. Kaya huwag ko siya laging iiwan, lagi na siyang sasamahan. Hanggang siguro hanggang pagkanta na best friend ko forever. And I wish ko sa iyo na Gio na good health. I-help ka rin doon sa sponsors ko sa buhay. Anything you said that you think I am the way.
Chase, not yet. Chase.
Not yet, baby. Oh, look at the camera.
Bye! Walking!
Chase, sit down, please.
I'm sure yung mga galing mo super proud sa'yo. Kapag pala sila, seven, mama
Busy ka kasi. Thank you.
Today's happy birthday, Cody. Wishing you a day filled with laughter, fun, and all your favorite things. May you seven year day full of exciting adventures, happy memories, new discoveries, and dreams that come true. Keep smiling, being kind, shining bright forever. Enjoy your special day. You deserve all the love and happiness in the world. I love you, Chase. Mami Sai, Jane, I and Pharaoh will always be your home. Always. I love you. Nalinan mo maganda yung sa akin.
Hi, James. Happy birthday. Ilan ka na? 7. So, happy 7th birthday, James. So, feeling ko ikaw yung pinakababahing pamangkin eh. So, nagpakabay nga yung lagi nilang mami sa akin tawin. Tapos, nung makita ang puso, may tawag si Dos. Saka, nandito lang lagi kami. Dito pa kami si mami, kahit punta ka lang ng Pilipinas. Open yung bahay po yun. Happy birthday, James!
Ilan?
Yun, sana masakadyovision. Sana lumaki kang may manangakawak sa Diyos. Lagi mong susundin yung mga bago mo. Lumaki kang matalino at healthy. Happy birthday.
Sinana yung kapal ng frog, walang gupit, di ako sanay. Ma'am, okay lang po ba, right after this po kasi character na po, and then okay lang po ba mag-food serving na? Kasi gutom na po yata sila ma'am. Okay lang po.
1, 2, 3, smile! And for
Always be kind and sweet to your mother, di ba? And mommy, okay? I hope that I will really take care of you.
Papa naman, si Papa.
Hello, guys. Happy birthday. So many people enjoy. No, I love you very much because you are very handsome like you. Okay?